Hello, dear design enthusiasts, and welcome back. The holidays are upon us, and if you live in a smaller home or apartment, you might be wondering how to bring that luxurious festive atmosphere without the clutter. The good news? You absolutely can. In today's video, we're exploring 15 timeless, sophisticated Christmas decorating ideas, all crafted for compact spaces that deserve big style. From vertical accents to sensory layers, these tips will help you transform your home into a refined, serene winter retreat. Let's begin. When space is limited, think upward. A vertical garland can instantly elongate a room and add dramatic charm. Try draping a lush faux evergreen garland along a tall window frame or cascading down the side of your staircase. Add depth with velvet ribbons, crystal ornaments, or delicate bells in champagne gold. This not only draws the eye upward, but also creates the illusion of height and grandeur. It's elegance that lives off the floor, perfect for cozy spaces. Your shelves can tell a holiday story without crowding them. Start by clearing away a few everyday objects to create breathing room. Then reintroduce select festive pieces. A string of warm micro LEDs tucked behind books, a gleaming ornament resting on a small stack, or a tiny ceramic tree nestled beside a framed photo. The result feels intimate and intentional, a subtle whisper of Christmas that integrates seamlessly with your existing decor. Natural light is your best ally. Turn plain windows into glowing artworks with frosted window film, a renter-friendly gem. Cut it into geometric or snowflake shapes, apply it to your panes, and watch how sunlight diffuses through the patterns. The room feels brighter, airier, and softly wintry, like morning light in a snowy cottage. A transformation made entirely from light and imagination. Your dining table deserves a centerpiece that feels special yet practical. Build your arrangement on a narrow tray so you can move it easily. Layer evergreen sprigs, pillar candles, and small gold fruits or ornaments at varied heights. It's lush, low enough for conversation, and instantly creates a sense of celebration. The best part? You can lift the tray away in seconds for a clear dining surface, functional beauty at its best. We often overlook our interior doors, but they can be elegant stages for small, meaningful decor. Hang a simple wreath made of eucalyptus, dried orange slices, or satin ribbon on your pantry or office door. Each time the door swings open, you'll catch a hint of festive scent and colour, a little moment of joy that turns ordinary movement into celebration. One of the easiest ways to refresh your space is through art. Temporarily replace your framed prints with winter-themed images, botanical sketches, old sheet music, snowy landscapes, or minimalist holiday abstracts. You're not adding clutter, just changing the visual language of your space. This subtle switch makes your walls feel curated for the season without buying a single new frame. No room for a full tree? No problem. Try a sculptural approach, a tall branch anchored in a ceramic vase or a slim metal tree frame. Hang a few ornaments at varying heights, wrap a delicate string of lights or pearls, and let negative space do the talking. It's part sculpture, part seasonal symbol, a minimalist way to express Christmas without the bulk. If your floors feel flat, layering is your secret weapon. Place a smaller accent rug. Think crimson Persian motifs, plaid wool, or faux sheepskin atop your main neutral rug. This instantly adds warmth and a holiday mood from the ground up. The textures invite touch, and the subtle colour contrast brings festive life without overpowering your design. humble windowsill can be pure magic at night. Arrange miniature trees, candles, or tiny village houses across the ledge. Mix materials, glass, wood, and metallics to catch the light. When evening falls, the reflections glow softly against the window, creating a romantic snow globe feel. A small display, but an enormous payoff in ambiance. Decor doesn't stop with visuals. Scent defines the atmosphere. Choose one refined fragrance and let it fill your space. A soy candle with pine, cedar, or frankincense notes instantly grounds you in the season. Or create a simmer pot on your stove with orange slices, cinnamon, and cloves. The gentle aroma transforms your home into a sanctuary of comfort. No extra decor required. That slim console by the entryway or sofa is your secret stage. Start with a garland base, then layer height with candlesticks and shimmering ornaments in a shallow bowl. Add a mirror behind the setup to double the sparkle and create depth. It's an inviting first impression that looks designer level, yet remains airy and compact. Small touches can make a big impact. Drape a soft garland or hang a single ornament from the back of each dining chair using a velvet ribbon. It's an elegant surprise that elevates your entire table setting. Simple, charming, and undeniably festive. A cohesive palette instantly refines any room. Choose one main colour story, all white and silver for ethereal charm, emerald and bronze for warmth, or navy and gold for regal sophistication. By repeating your palette across ornaments, ribbons, and textiles, the eye perceives unity and calm. The space feels larger, more intentional, and effortlessly high-end. Why crowd your table when you can decorate above it? Suspend a minimalist hoop, wreath frame, or geometric terrarium from the ceiling. Adorn it with dried foliage, fairy lights, or a few crystal ornaments at staggered heights. This floating arrangement becomes your room's showstopper, dramatic, graceful, and freeing every surface below. Light is the language of elegance. Position a mirror behind a strand of fairy lights or a garland to reflect sparkle and greenery. The reflection multiplies the glow, making your room feel twice as bright and festive. This simple optical illusion gives even the smallest spaces a grand, open energy. And there you have it. 15 creative, elegant ideas to elevate your small space into a stylish holiday haven. Remember, it's not about the square footage. It's about how you use light, texture, and imagination. Every detail, no matter how small, contributes to the magic. If you found inspiration here, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more refined decor ideas, and share your favorite small space tip in the comments. Wishing you a joyful, serene, and beautifully designed holiday season. See you in the next one.